Ayan. Hi, my dear Leo. This is your reading for your month of May 2026. So, starting sa new moon, my loves. Meron tayong new moon event. Nasa May 15 yon, my loves. So, dito sa new moon event is may bago, may something new talaga, literally kay Leo or for you, my loves, Leo. Ito is pwede maging hudyat ng bagong simula ng cycle. So, ibig sabihin, meron ditong mangyayari na, kumbaga, another new para kay Leo. Another new para sa life. Pwede new habit, new ideas, my loves. So, pag kasi yung new man nangyayari, kumbaga, hindi natin siya nakikita. 'Di ba? Madilim yung paligid or madilim yung langit pag may new moon. Pero dito, my loves, I hear na ito yung indikasyon na pwede, my loves, after mo mag-release ng mga energy or negative energy during the full moon na nangyari nitong May 2 is pwede, my loves, na 'di ba merong laktaw yon, ibig sabihin iyon yung parang pinaka pacing mo para sa reset button. So this is perfect for your new intentions din, and ito is lalo na sa career and goals mo, my dear Leo. So sa full moon, may magaganap din another full moon sa May 30 or katapusan ng buwan, my loves. So dito, pag naman fully illuminated ang ating moon, opposite siya sa sun, pwede, my loves, ito is makakaramdam ka ng peak emotions. So, dalawa ang full moon natin, and this is very favorable lalo na sa mga may Leo in moon. Kasi dito, my loves, is mapapakinggan mo, magiging peak ang iyong emotions, my loves, and anything na itinanim mo earlier, ito, yung first week na pumasok na to, my dear Leo, this month, pwede mag-manifest or mag-reveal sa another full moon. So, kung hindi mo pa nagagawa, yung mga manifestations mo ngayong first week, may pagkakataon ka naman, my loves, once na nakita mo to, mag-set ka na, mag-manifest ka na, and yun nga, meron ka pang daratnan na dalawang moon event, the new moon and full moon, my loves. So, my loves, dito yung energy shift kanina nabanggit natin, mararamdaman mo yon. Kung ikaw ay may Leo moon, kumbaga umiwas ka, my loves, sa depende kasi kung nasa houses yun eh. But I hear peak ang emotion mo, so umiwas ka sa mga drama na pwede, my loves, mag-cause sa'yo ng parang hindi magandang interpretation ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. So, meron din, my loves, na mga event dito earlier May is pwede ding parang may magkakaroon ka din ng aha moments kagaya ng ibang zodiac, my loves. So, ibig sabihin may new ideas na maisha-shower sa'yo si universe. Pwede din discovery yon, my loves. So, pwede, my loves, na I hear yung pinakatema ng iyong month right now. Pwede natin sabihin na step into your power. Okay? Step into your power, lalo na kung hindi mo, alam mong hindi mo na balanse ng maayos yung power mo or energy mo before. But stay grounded with Taurus energy. Okay? So, my loves, Leo, ikaw yung sign na ruled by sun. So, you are naturally shining. You are naturally shining bright than other. Na pwedeng mag-cause, my love, sa'yo ng hindi magandang interpretation ng iba. Kasi when you are shining, merong mga ibang nakapaligid dyan na hindi magandang energy. So, pwedeng prone ka din doon, my loves. So, kagaya ng nabanggit ko, iwasan mo yung yung alam mo yon, kasi meron kang peak ng emotions. Hanggat maaari, wag mo yung i-express. Kasi pwede maging drama yon sa paningin ng iba. And this May, my loves, hindi lang you are about being seen. Dito my loves, pwede mo ding ma-manifest yung pagiging real. I hear na medyo na may misinterpret si Leo or ang ilan sa ating collectives na Leo lately sa kanyang mga intentions. But this May, just being real with yourself and with your intentions, my loves. So, pwede ka maging rewarded sa pag-embody ng being real and being real with your intentions. Okay, so yun my loves. Kahit merong iba na parang na may misinterpret ka, but this May, one of your blessing is yung pwede makita na rin ng iba yung intentions mo. So I also hear you have a strong push when it comes to your career zone. Kung ikaw ay may trabaho, kung ikaw ay mayroong gustong ma-achieve sa yung goal mo this month. So I hear my loves, merong magandang or favorable na mangyayari sa May 15. Tandaan mo yun my loves, mararamdaman mo yung urge na mag-start ulit when it comes to your work, when it comes to your new project, and also pwede ding redirection. Okay, pwede new direction or redirection my loves. Kung may plano ka na matagal mo nang iniisip my loves, this is your time. Okay? Kumbaga, friendly din si Taurus. Kasi Taurus season ngayon very grounded. Kaya, wag kang mag-alala kung bakit parang gustong-gusto mo na makapagtrabaho, maging maunlad ang iyong career. Kasi si Taurus ay mayroong earth energy. So, dito my loves, kung may matagal ka nang iniisip, this is your sign to push. Okay? So, always remember, kasi si Leo sanay din sa spotlight, sa recognition, sa compliment my loves, sanay si Leo. But this one, kahit na you are shining my loves, I hear na huwag mo yun hanap-hanapin. Okay? Parang kumbaga dito, I hear na you can push your ideas silently. Hindi lahat ng spotlight ay, sabihin natin, hindi lahat ng spotlight ay healthy sa'yo. May iba parang nagiging egoistic or parang napapataba yung ego mo. So, hindi lahat ng spotlight ay para sa ego. Yung iba, my loves, ay para sa purpose. So, yun ang i-manifest mo or pwede mong ma-manifest during this time. Na, yung recognition, okay, eto pa, yung recognition mo, my loves, is talagang aligned and fated sa yung direction or purpose, my love. So, I also hear meron nga, may paparating starting May, pag nag-new moon, my love. So, continue to manifest that. Continue to plant the seed. Ngayon pa lang, umpisa ng May. So, my loves, so, nabanggit natin intense ng emotions. Kaya kung may ka-relationship ka, my loves, i-handle mo mabuti yan. So, sa ibang reading na lang natin, bibigyan ng focus yung love reading. Pero, tandaan mo yung intense emotions, my loves. And if you are single, may chance ka na makakilala ng may strong and sabihin natin, strong and mysterious vibes for Leo. So, parang ka-vibe siya ng zodiac natin na Taurus, my loves. They are very charming, pero mysterious at the same time. So, yun, that's what I heard for the love life of the Leo. So, yun, pag ganun kasi parang napaka-charming, di ba? Charming or kaya attractive. Parang instant connection na nararamdaman mo. So, yun, again, magbibigay na lang tayo another reading for your month. So, my loves, nabanggit ko kanina, sudden realizations, my loves, and may iba ka ding marirealize about your life path, about your identity as Leo. I also hear this month, you can reset your own identity. Pwede may loves kung parang may mali sa naging takbo or naging image mo before. I hear na this is time for you to reset. To, alam mo yon, kung pwedeng mag-add ng another identity or mag-develop ng identity or maglitaw ng mga, sabihin natin, maglitaw ng ibang yung mga nakatago mong traits. Pwede mo, my loves, ngayon it's safe for you to ano tawag dito? To expose. Okay? Kasi dito, I hear, hindi lang basta realizations yung, hindi lang basta aha moments eh. Pwede din, my loves, some of your friends or your people surrounds you, may madidiscover na bago kay Leo, na parang ang tagal ng katago, and then madidiscover, eto pala si Leo. So, always remember, my loves, who are you or who are you becoming is more important than who you are. So, dito I hear, my loves, pwede nakatago yun before, and then ngayon is na-expose, kasi nga nagpapakatotoo ka sa sarili mo. Pwede ganun, my loves. And wag mong iisipin din yung pwedeng iba to sa'yo ng iba, basta kagaya nga naman nabanggit natin, real intentions, real you. Okay? So, basta, my loves, iwasan lang yung masyadong vulnerable. Kasi minsan, kunyari, nagpapakatotoo ka, pero parang hindi na tama na i-expose sa iba, hindi worth to invest sa iba, my loves. Hindi lahat ay pwede mo i-expose. Okay? So, magpapakatotoo ka, but at the same time, my loves, with purpose, with real intentions, hindi lahat ay pwede mong isiwalat. So, iwasan yung pagiging too prideful and vulnerable, my loves. Kasi kadalasan yun yung nagiging struggle mo. And, kahit na nasa Taurus season tayo, my loves, iwasan din yung pagka-overwork para lang meron ka mapatunayan sa sarili. This time, magbigay ka ng boundaries. Huwag kang masyadong magabol sa recognition kasi kusa yun darating sa'yo. And also, emotional reactions, my loves, be watchful kasi pwede maging intense yun. So, this May 2026, that's your first part, my loves. I hear that you are not just shining, my dear Leo, like the sun. So, tandaan mo, you are aligning doon sa recognition na mapapansin, mako-compliment sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo. So, iyan ay hindi lang basta compliment. Hindi kagaya ng iba na basta ka lang i-compliment. Yan is, meron ding purpose, something deeper in your life. So, this month, my love, hindi lang basta ikaw highlight. Tandaan mo, may purpose yun kung bakit ka na-recognize or bakit ka right now kailangang mapansin, or right now is yung recognition na yon or yung shine na yon is may deeper purpose pa. Hindi lang sa'yo, kung hindi sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Okay? That's the first part of our reading. And let's move forward doon sa second part ng ating reading, which is the tarot card readings. Ayan, my loves. So, meron tayong mga reverse dito, my loves. Meron tayong 5 of Pentacles in reverse. And meron din tayo dito, my loves, 4 of Cups in reverse and the Ace of Wands in reverse. So, I hear, my loves, malinaw na malinaw. 5 of Pentacles in reverse is the very favorable card. Pag kasi ang 5 of Pentacles ay naka-upright, it means poverty or financial blockages. Pero dito, my loves, I hear your May will have a recovery from financial loss. If ever, my dear Leo, na ikaw ay nagkaroon ng struggle about finances, this time, my loves, ay parang, alam mo yung mafe-feel mo yung abundance, sunod-sunod yung pera, yung pagpasok ng pera, pwedeng nafe-feel mo na yan nung simula pa lang ng May, na parang unti-unti, parang kahit nasabihin mong simpleng reward lang, simpleng pera, may papasok. Unlike sa ibang mga nakaraang month is talagang parang nagne-negative ka. This time, my loves, you are recovering from your financial setbacks, my loves. I hear that you are, the universe giving you more hopes this month. Parang tinutulungan ka ng universe, nagbibigay siya ng maraming signs and opportunities for you, my loves, because meron ditong luck and also overcoming adversity. So again, this is favorable for you, my dear Leo, yung ating Five of Pentacles in reverse. So dito naman, my loves, meron tayong Four of Cups. So when it is upright, it indicates sabihin nating feeling unfulfilled, 'di ba? Four of Cups, my loves, parang alam mo 'yon, ang lungkot-lungkot. But again, this is in reverse. So I hear na, my loves, you are getting more clarity. Ay, by the way, nakalimutan natin yung lucky number mo. So singit na natin dito your lucky number pala. Kasi more on ano tayo. So, your lucky number is 3. So, 3 with significance of your spirit guides 10 I hear. But this one, my loves, meron nga dito, di ba nasabi natin kanina aha moments? This time, merong pwedeng yung aha moments na yun, may connection din sa yung realization about your happiness. I hear, my loves, meron dito, it is connected with some awareness, clarity, and acceptance, my loves. These sudden realizations, pwedeng matagal mo nang hindi ina-accept or sabihin nating matagal mo nang dinadamdam, okay? And then the sudden realizations, bigla kang nagising na kung ano yung totoo, kung ano yung parang nagkaroon na ng clarity, yung mind mo, my loves. And this month, my loves, for you, my dear Taurus, is pwedeng ma-accept mo na yung mga bagay na nagpapabigat doon sa iyong nararamdaman, my loves. So, this is favorable then for you. Another, yes, 1. Choosing happiness, choosing yourself, and being you, my loves. Your another lucky number is 2. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, your lucky number for May. So, I also hear ascension, my loves. Papataas, di ba? So, dito, my loves, pwede na meron niyang something. It's either promotion or may upgrade na mangyayari sa iyo, my dear Leo, by accepting or choosing happiness, by become aware what is in your surroundings, my loves. So, I also hear, my loves, meron dito din na Ace of Wands in reverse. So, when it is upright, pwede, my loves, na ito is new project. So, umiwas, my loves, kasi meron ditong delays and blocks in case pwede, my loves, na dumating ka sa aha moment, new ideas, new realization, pero hirap na hirap ka pa rin i-accept. Hirap ka pa rin, my loves, na maging masaya para doon. Parang nagko-contradict, my loves, yung energy. Nandito, alam mo na you need to choose happiness, but dito, parang still black pa rin. Hirap ka pa rin umusad because you are lack of direction. So right now, starting this reading, my loves, I hear na kailangan talaga magkaroon ka ng passion. Kasi parang ang daming magiging distractions na can cause delays and blockages, my loves. I also hear, iwasan mo yung parang boosted na energy, na parang ngayon ay ganadong-ganado ka. And then, kinabukasan, parang wala ka ng gana. So, my loves, i-distribute mo yung iyong energy consistently, my loves. I also hear unti-unti, my loves, para may mabuo kang proyekto. Meron kasing ganun, my loves, yung parang motivated ka ngayong araw, ginawa mo lahat, ang dami mong plano, and then bigla kang nawalan ng gana. So, my loves, I hear, wag mong i-pressure ang iyong sarili. One at the time, or paunti-unti lang, partial lang, my loves. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung dapat paunti-unti, hindi biglaan. Kasi pwede, my loves, na magkaroon ka nga ng lack of energy. Iyan yung pwedeng maging challenges mo right now. Maligaw ka. Magkaroon ka ng creative blocks. Okay? So, doon, kailangan, my loves, ma-practice mo kung paano mo i-activate yung iyong creativity, paano ka anong tawag doon, condition. Conditioning, my loves, kailangan kasama din yan. My dear Leo, para maiwas ka dito sa blockages or false hope, false start, is kailangan hindi lahatan, hindi biglaan. Kailangan, my loves, alam mo din kung paano mo i-condition ang iyong sarili. Okay? So, let's pull another confirmation. My dear Leo, ayan, meron kang star. With the star card, my loves, na nabanggit nga natin, lady. Okay, so, and heart. Napaka-favorable, my loves, my dear Leo. So, yung stars na yung confirmation kanina, di ba? You are shining. Recognition. So, I also hear, my loves, na may something talaga sa career mo na parang bigla ka talagang magsha-shine or mare-recognize. If you are a content creator, my loves, pwede din na meron ka mag-trending na content, or pwede, my loves, na maisip mo maging content creator. It's about fame. It is also, kung hindi ka naman doon sa content creations, about recognition. Mapapansin yung mga gawa mo, mapapansin yung trabaho mo, mako-complement ka because of the deeper purpose, my loves. So, I also hear, my loves, the lady or the feminine card. So, umiwas ka yan, nabanggit natin kanina, umiwas ka, my loves, sa extreme emotion, or ipagpapakita ng extreme emotion, my loves. I also hear dito, yung false start, kung medyo parang na-discourage ka dito. I hear ito ay may kinalaman sa love. Pwede, my loves, na nabanggit ko kanina, di ba, meron kang makikilala na something attractive but mysterious. Pwede wag ka agad ma-fall doon kasi pwedeng hindi agad yon makukulminate this month. Makikilala mo lang siya pero hindi agad-agad. Pwede maging false hope yun kasi ay yun, lumabas yung sa reading ko, eto na siguro siya, and then walang nangyari. Pwedeng ganun yun, my loves. I hear na makikilala mo pa lang siya but hindi pa ito yung panahon para sa inyong dalawa. So, silipin natin yan sa another reading natin, sa love reading natin, my dear Leo. Pero this time, focus tayo dito sa yung energy reading. Confirmation, my loves, with the King of Hearts. So, pwede doon, my loves, kung naman in relationship ka, I also hear the delays or blockages. So, umiwas din sa mga toxic na communication or yung away. Kasi pag delays, my loves, pwede mag-cool off kayo. So, umiwas kayo doon, my loves. And also, lack of passion and direction. Pwede talaga maka-apekto yan sa love life mo. Okay? And passion din, pwede maka-apekto yan if you are, sabihin natin, into hobbies. So, yun ang i-watch out mo, my loves. Yung mga pwede maka-apekto sa creativity mo, sa hobbies mo, sa passion mo, and the way how you love people and appreciate your loved ones, my loves. Pwede maka-apekto yun. So, let's see more confirmation. You see? Ayan, nalaglag. Date night, my loves. Get ready to be wined and dined. So, if you are single, I hear, my loves, na, yun nga, dumating yung taong, or may ma-encounter kang tao right now na pwedeng makasama mo, or pwede din ito ang kailangan ng iyong relationship if you are in a relationship. I also hear if you are not into love naman, may mga araw na aayain ka, i-invite ka ng mga friends mo, pwedeng ganon, for some sa labas or dine out, ganon, my loves. So, I hear na i-enjoy mo lang yan. Pwede yan ang makapagpa-boost din ng sabihin natin, gana mo, inspiration mo para magpatuloy, para magkaroon ng energy, para ma-remove yung mga creative blockages mo, my loves. So, again, if you are in a relationship, makakatulong yan para mas maging maganda or ma-remove ang blockages nyo when it comes to this heart matter. So, in other words, if you receive invitations, go for it, my loves. Ano ito? vacation. You will be traveling soon, my loves, my dear Leo. Talagang dito, pwedeng makatulong talaga yan. Pwedeng ma-nurture yung divine feminine mo dito, my loves, sa pagta-travel. I also hear, Leo, active man yung iyong May. Ito ay para talaga sa yung mission and purpose. I also hear rewarding, my loves, kasi meron ditong recovery from financial loss, diba? Tas may travel. Look, yung blessings na nag-aabang sa'yo, my dear Leo. So, this vacation, sabihin natin, kahit na yan ay solo, or with friends, or with lovers, I hear na iyan ay makakapag-nurture ng iyong divine feminine. So, grab mo siya, my loves, or i-enjoy mo siya. And I also hear, ba't paulit-ulit ko na ririnig yung reward? So, pwede may loves na si spirit guides and si universe, parang ito yung reward nila sa'yo. Eto, para makaahon ka, hope returns, my loves. And, alam mo yun, para bang, my dear Leo, I also hear, para bang, iniisip mo before, kailan yung time. I hear, my love, this is the right time. Parang ito na sinasagot ni spirit guides or ni universe na it is time for you naman. Dati parang ang dami mong mga nilagay or ginive na efforts, pero this time parang ngayon din harvest yung mga pinaglaanan mo ng efforts, kung ano man yon. Okay, my dear Leos, kaya importante talaga even na hindi mo nakikita. I hear na mag-put ka ng energy, mag-invest ka ng energy and effort doon sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo daily. So, dito, my loves, pwedeng ito ay reward season. Ang hindi lang masyadong